Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can still use your Samsung TV if you've lost your remote control. So we've already done a video on using the button on the bottom right hand side to do various different features. But if you were to plug in a keyboard, so here we have a keyboard and mouse combined, it will allow you to do a lot more features. So let's pretend now we've lost a remote control. Clearly you want to order yourself another one or find your lost one. But in the meantime, while you're waiting for your new one to arrive, if for example it's gone faulty, you can plug in a keyboard mouse and still have use of your TV. So let's plug the dongle into the back of the TV. So on this Samsung TV, I've only got the one USB port. This is a 2024 model. So that's why I'm using a keyboard and combined mouse. So we need to plug it in and make sure you get it in the right way around. There we go. And now we need to turn the TV on. There's a little button just here. We have done a separate video on how to control the TV using just this button. So I'm just going to tap that and that's going to turn the TV on. Now let me show you it working with the keyboard. So now you can see we've got full control just from this keyboard and this mouse here. Look, if I move the mouse around, it's lovely and quick to move around. So if you want to do shortcuts, you can use the F keys up here. For example, if I want to do volume, I can do F10 and you can see volume going up. For F9 will be volume going down and F8 will be mute. So that's useful. Also, if you were to right click on the mouse, it brings this up here and you can do volume on here as well. So you can do volume up, volume down and mute. So it's nice and quick doing it that way. We can press that one there to bring you up to this one here. If you want to press escape, it will bring you back to there. We can do things like F1 to even turn the TV off, and this will give you an option to turn off the TV from the keyboard. If you want to go to your source, maybe you want to connect up your PlayStation 4 or your Xbox or something, then if we go to F6, it's going to bring up the source. Do that again. There we go, and there you go. You can see you've got the source down here. Right click and we can go home. So it's really useful. So the keyboard obviously will work really well on stuff like the internet, but you can just use it for normal TV as well. Like if I wanted to go into Netflix, then you've got full control. So if you lose your remote control, if it breaks, it's not such a big deal because you can plug in a keyboard and mouse and then you can have pretty much all of the features that you would have with your remote control. And if you want to go to your channels, then we can just right click and we can go to home and then you can go to your live TV, or we can just do F7 and it's going to bring up the channels. And you can see here we have an option to do Samsung TV or all, and we have the different channels down the right hand side. So if you lose your remote control or you break it, at least you've still got an option to use your TV using, for example, this keyboard and mouse combo or the little button on the bottom right hand side. Or remember as well, you'll be able to use your smart things on your phone to control your TV as well. So don't worry if you lose your remote, you still have plenty of other options. Hope this video has helped you out. Thanks for watching.